Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this cool Ninja Vanish slack thing. So yeah, let's get into it.
So this is what the trick looks like from the front. I'll be teaching 3 different ways to actually do the trick. So they're the 3 methods. So here's what the trick looks like from above. There's method number 1, there's method number 2, and there's method number 3. There's actually 2 variations that I'll teach of the third method. Here's the second variation, where you just pop as many times as you want. In my opinion, it looks cooler. And yeah, first you want to make sure your string tension is nice and um, fixed out. So basically, the only thing you'll need to know prior is the trick Ninja Vanish, as this trick is just a variation of the trick Ninja Vanish. So yeah, first you want to land on the string instead of landing in the slack. So like so, you want to land on top of the string. Here that is in slow motion. And when you land on the string, you want to keep the string pinched so that the slack is just there. There it is from the front, as you can see, landing on that string. So the next step is basically you're going to swing that slack around. And you're going to make that string right there go into the groove of the yo-yo. And that's basically what the trick is. You're just swinging the slack around and making it go into that groove. Basically, you just kind of want to look at it as if you're doing a double Ninja Vanish. You're just doing another Ninja Vanish motion before you land. And here that is. Here it is in slow motion. And as you can see, my hand does the Ninja Vanish motion one more time to get this slack around. Here's an arrow to point which string you're aiming to get into the groove. And yeah, that's basically how you do the trick. Next, I'll be going over the different ways to get into the actual trick. So basically, this is method number 1. As you can see, I am going around the front with my throw hand. Using my throw hand, I go under and around clockwise, and make sure your hand is facing you. As you can see, make sure it's from the front and spin it clockwise under and around, and you should be in a GT. Here it is from the front. And here's method number 2. As you can see, it's pretty much the opposite. You're going to use your non-throw hand, and you're going to go under and around counterclockwise. Essentially what this method is you just rolling off towards your non-throw hand. I like to do it with a pop, and I feel like it looks nicer that way, but if you want to, that's how you do it normally. As you can see, there it is. So basically all you have to do is pop and do the motion at the same time to get it down. So yeah, here it is slow mode. So yeah, here's the third method. What you're going to do is basically going to pop it up. You're going to pop it up as much as the slack allows you to. It'll shoot itself back down. So it will be kind of like a, I guess, ping pong kind of thing. So you can pop it up as many times as your slack allows it. Or if you want to just pop it up once, that's fine. When you're done popping it up, you want to make sure the yo-yo goes towards yourself. And if you go to the front, you'll get a twist. But here it is. As you can see, I make the yo-yo land towards myself. And yeah, that's basically the complete tutorial. The yo-yo uses from my sponsor, the Dunkin' Big Fun, and thanks for watching.